Local 94 of the International Brotherhood of Electrical Workers, AFL-CIO, represents the hardworking men and women at Public Service Electric and Gas in New Jersey. With the local union office located in Hightstown, New Jersey, IBEW Local 94 powers New Jersey and empowers our community. So how long you guys been doing this?
27 years.
Oh yeah? How many Sandys did you work through, brother?
Quite a few.
Yeah. So it's another day in the life, huh?
Yeah.
Without you guys, no one's getting power because trees are taking it down, right?
I think we need more money.
I think you do too. Now, you work here for PS.
Yeah.
Doing line clearance.
Yep.
Day in the life right here. This thing's huge.
Yeah, it's pretty big tree.
Yeah? Takes a lot of hours to take down a tree like this?
Oh, you can take us to lunch.
Consummate professionals, huh?
Yeah.
Witness any close calls?
Some, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, but with the guys are pretty safe, so they find out safety hazards before they start.
Not worth rushing a job.
No, it's not. No.
Yeah. But I'm sure that you guys do this safe and right.
Yeah. Yep. As you see.
Yeah. So these guys have probably hundreds, if not thousands of hours of training.
Yes.
To make sure that still scary, but important work.
Yeah, just have to be careful in what you're doing.
Pay attention.
Pay attention. You got it.
What are they?
Single phase reclosers.
What does that mean?
They got to mount them on poles. They act in the circuit as something happens, it closes, and it opens.
So, to a layman, a really big circuit breaker.
Right.
What is this stuff up here?
Well, we'll call it it's OK Champion is the brand name, but we call it a rocket launcher. It's just a cable reel truck. That's all it is for taking reels of cable to and from the jobs.
Those things carry power?
The cables do carry power, that's correct. Those are underground primary distribution cable.
And what is this thing right here?
This right here is a breaker, station breaker.
What do they do?
They break the load. They want to separate the lifeline from the station.
Now what the heck were you doing down in there, man?
We're getting ready to splice some 26 kV cable, replacing some old stuff, upgrading from the lead to EPR.
You got to aerate down there?
Yeah, well, we have an oxygen analyzer to make sure that the atmosphere is good down there. And that's pretty much it. That goes off, we get out, we air it out.
Now if this thing is dirty, it creates problems?
Yeah, a lot of carbon dust gets on here from the brushes on the generator rotor, and it all has to be cleaned up periodically.
Looks like it's taking forever.
It's quite a process. It takes a couple days, but you guys do a good turnaround on it. Right. This booth over here is where we do all our sandblasting and power washing and cleaning. Everything gets cleaned and sandblasted before it gets worked on and shipped back to the generating station. This is what it looks like after it gets all done, being washed and blasted, and it's ready for reassembly and paint. This is the water jet cutting machine. It's all computer driven. They can put a piece of plate in there and enter the program into the computer, and it'll cut out anything from the size of a dime to as big as they can fit it in that tank.
Where are we right now? What is this thing?
We are in a relay control house.
Okay. So what is that?
What is that? This is where we have all the relays that will trip the breakers outside in the substation. This is a vertical balancing machine.
What's it do?
For high-speed rotating parts, it allows the balance of the part to be such that you don't get vibration when it's running in its application. This is a pump company that runs about 3,500 RPM, so the balance is critical.
Now what is, this looks complicated, Mark. What are you doing here right now?
We're building relay racks for this particular one. It's for the Pleasant Valley switch station, and it's in the process of being wired right now.
What is this place? Like some type of control center?
It's Southern Distribution Dispatch Office.
What's that mean?
This is where all the calls come in for trouble-related problems with the electrical system in our area, and we dispatch troubleshooters as a first response to see if we can figure out what's going on and rectify the situations. This is our alarm screen over here. On the right, on the left is it's a one line of a 13 kV circuit. Just gives us indications of the breakers, the position they're in at the time. We can operate the breakers via phone lines.
Technical work, huh?
Sometimes more mental than physical.
Okay. Yeah. Like air traffic controller, huh?
Somewhat.